Hello everybody, it is Mr. Modern Financials here coming at you with another video. Before we get started with today's review, I'm going to ask a quick favor of you. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button. That way you're up to date with all the latest and greatest app reviews, videos on making money, and all of those type of things. That's what I cover here on the channel, so if that stuff does interest you, hit that subscribe button, helps out a ton. Now on to the review, Robinhood. I have been using Robinhood for almost 2 years now. Prior to last week, I was up about 40% total. Since then, obviously, the stock market has been a bit more shaky. I am still up almost 33% for the past 2 years, which averages over 15% a year, which is about double what the S&P on average does. Typically, the S&P does about 7% a year. So doing about 14-15% a year isn't too bad. Obviously, this is still subject to changes and fluctuations. We don't know what the rest of the year holds. And I'm not going to comment too much on money I've made, on things like that. I want to comment more on the app itself. Now, when I first started using Robinhood, it was very, very basic. It was considered really only for your very beginner investor. They didn't have a ton of features. It was just you could buy and sell and you could do limit orders and things like that. But it was really, really beginner friendly, and it still is, but they've added so much. They have a full-fledged news integration system where it curates news, especially that is relevant to you, which I just love. I really like getting up every day, checking Robinhood, looking at the news, studying the market. That is what you're supposed to do as an investor. And I really like the way they have their news aggregation. It's all centered to you. Now, they have a ton of other features that they've added over the past 2 years. Robinhood Gold, they've added margin trading, which basically allows you to trade on margin, which means you're trading with borrowed money, but they have leverage. And I wouldn't recommend that for your beginner investor, but if you're an advanced trader, that is great. They have so many new features. They have a banking system rolling out with 3% interest rates, but that is subject to some change. I did a video on that previously. Check it out, link in the description. And they have a really awesome feature where you have a link, and if you share it with a friend and they sign up with Robinhood, they get a free stock and you get a free stock. It could be a $5 stock. It could be a $200 stock. It really depends. I've gotten a Facebook stock before through this process. So if you did want to get a free stock and you are not already signed up with Robinhood, check out my link in the description. That way you can start off a little bit of bonus. You could get a little $5 stock or you could get a $200 stock. It's all subject to chance, but hey, even if you only get a $5 stock, that's still not bad to start your portfolio. It's pure profit. Now, moving on to things I would like to see in the app. I would like to see more trading, indicators. I would like to have more indicators on there that you could use for day trading and swing trading. So what am I talking about? I'm talking about things like RSI. I'm talking about MACD indicators, moving averages. They've upped it a little bit because they recently or past few months added candles, which is big in the trading world, but they don't have too many indicators on there. I'm hoping in the next year, in 2019, I'll do an updated review on Robinhood, and I'm hoping by the end of 2019 they have those features, because right now Robinhood is a great investing app. It's not the best trading app. It is a great investing app if you're doing medium to long-term investing, but if you're trying to do day trading, you're probably still better off with something like a Scottrade or an E-Trade. Yes, you're getting hit with a $7 trade fee. However, with those services, you're getting a lot more information. So to summarize, Robinhood, great news aggregation, awesome zero fees trading, and an awesome affiliate program where your friends could get a free stock. Again, link in the description. The only con is I would like to see more trading features integrated. I am really happy with the progress Robinhood has made over the past 2 years. I am really happy with the progress I've made in my beginner stock investing portfolio. Again, I am just a newbie. Going up almost 40% over 2 years is really good, even though, yes, we're down to 33 now. We will see what the end of the year holds. I am looking forward to it, and I hope you are too. That's it for this review, guys. Let me know what you think. Do you like Robinhood, or do you prefer a more professional trading software? Let me know in the comment section down below. And if you haven't already gotten a free stock, make sure you get it, and make sure you hit that subscribe button so you are up to date with all the latest and greatest videos. I'll catch you next time. It's Mr. Modern Financials. Have a great day.